Hi, when is the expected date for MBA CET results? Now that the CET exams are over, so let's look at the expected date. We do conduct class for CAT, CET, and other entrance exams. Now, MBA CET 2024 was conducted on March 9 and 11, but the result was declared in May, 2 months later, right? If you look at 2023, exam was conducted on 25th, 26th, and there were some glitches, and because of that, there was one more paper conducted on 6th, but the result were declared in June 3rd. If you look at 22, declared in 20 days from the date of the exam, which means there is a possibility that the results can be declared immediately after the exam within 15-20 days. So technically, if there is no glitches or no problem, expect the result to be around April 30th. By the end of April, you can expect the result. If there is a problem, then the results could be declared by end of May. So very difficult to predict, but yes, there is a possibility because CET has that database, etc., that they can bring out the results within 20 days, which means there is a possibility the results could be declared in April 30 if there is no problem on backend and no complaints. But if there are complaints, they have to address it. Normally in MBA CET, there are a lot of complaints that happen, and if there is, then the results could be delayed. Right? So we'll keep our fingers crossed. We'll come up with more videos to tell you any important notice, etc., which are there. We'll also come up with videos to tell you what to do after CET. Thank you.